Nay Squad, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on a how to flexi rod on natural hair, a defined flexi rod. Okay, flexi rod, I should say. Look at them curls. Let's get right into this, sis. Starting off with freshly washed hair, I'm going to go in with the Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream, and I'm going to put that all through my hair. After all that, I'm going to part my hair into a smaller section, and I'm going to take that small section and part it down to another small section. And then I'm going to go in with my Deva Curl Super Stretch, and I do have a YouTube video on that. Well, a review on the products. I definitely have to do it again because look. You guys are going to see my curls in a little bit. But I'm basically going to rake that through my hair. So now that's done, I'm going to take the flexi rod and I'm going to put my hair around it, and make sure you seal the ends. So if you need gel or anything, make sure you put gel on the ends, just the end part. And I'm going to take my flexi rod and twirl my hair up with the flexi rod all the way up to my scalp. Now when I hit my scalp, I'm going to bend the ends of the flexi rods. I'm going to show you guys this process one more time, and if you still don't get it, just keep watching the clips. But I'm going to put the product through my hair. Now look at that curl. Look at that curl. Yes! Okay, now I'm going to comb out my hair. Make sure tangles are not in my hair, because you guys, you want to make sure your hair is sleek and combed out. But I'm just going to wrap the ends of my hair, and I'm going to twirl the flexi rod up to my scalp. I'm trying to make sense. But you guys see that space that I have with my hair? You want to make sure your curls are stretched out. You don't want it to be all clumped together. I just feel like it dries, especially dries better. And also another tip, make sure your hair isn't soaking wet when you do this, unless you're going to let the flexi rods be in your hair for days. If you're going to take it down the next day, make sure it's damp and not a lot of product in your hair. But now you guys, you see that, and it was hard for me to go to sleep, okay? Let me tell you. So boom, next day. Now you guys can take your hair down in two ways. You can just unravel it and go against the curls like this clip. Or you can take the curl down by just going with the curl, unraveling it with the curl like this clip. Now I'm going to use the OGX Biotin and Collagen Oil, and I'm going to put that all on my hands, and I'm just going to put that on my hair. Usually people take their curls down or unravel their curls and just keep putting oil on their hands, but I don't have time for that, so I do it like this. It's time to unravel, so I just take a curl and I take just a little piece and I twirl it around in my hands, and then I let it go. Take a little piece, twirl it around in my hands, and let it go. Take a little piece, twirl it around in my hands, and let it go. You see, look at them curls. Yes, sis. I do think that I got more length when I use the skinnier flexi rods, and I'm going to show you guys in the next clip, but I feel like I got more length when I use those than the thicker ones. So if you do have short hair like me, or short medium hair, make sure you use those, because I just feel like it's better and you can have more length. Now if you don't care about length, then you're fine, but I like length, okay? But now I'm just going to pick my hair out for volume. Like, look, yes girl, yes. And you can get the skinnier flexi rods from Walmart, and you probably need like a couple packs or whatever. You guys see them curls? Do you guys see them curls? Yes. Usually anybody that knows me back in the day with my channel, my flexi rods came out crappy and frizzy, so I stopped doing it. I started learning And look, they're defined, and now I'm showing you. So make sure you tag me on IG if you try out my little flexi rod thing. I know it's a lot of tutorials, but look, you watch mine. Yes. A disclaimer, I'm sorry for the lighting, like it just kept changing. I was filming on my iPhone because I just feel like it's better, especially when I'm doing natural hair tutorials, so I don't have to keep zooming it in and making sure the camera is focused and stuff. But look at me looking silly. Don't forget to like this video, sis. Like this video. Like, what are you doing? Like this video. Subscribe. Press on that subscribe button. Press it. Smack on it. You came to the end of this video. Go on there. It's down below. Press on the subscribe button. Subscribe. And share with your friends. And comment below. And let me know what you think. Love you all. Thank you for watching. Mwah.